Hi, this is the Welsh Lock Picker, and today I'm going to pick and gut this 7-lever safe lock. Fairly common, you can find them on various safes and gun cabinets. I'll just check, make sure it all works. There you go. So it's in the shut position, and I'm going to pick it with a ground down Squire key that's in a UK lockpickers holder, and this wire which also came from the UK lockpickers holder. Right, let's give it a go. Get some tension on. And see how we get on. I know that there are some false sets in this, and I've tried to film it before. The last one always jams up on me, so hopefully I'll avoid it on this one. And there we have it. So we've got the open. Now let's gut it and see what's inside. Put the vice out of the way. Just this down. Bit more focus. Okay. Got a screwdriver. Hopefully everything's not going to ping out now as I open it. Okay, for each lever there's a spacer. Oh, there's one with a little bit of what I'd call a false gate in it. And there you go, successfully picked and gutted. Thank you very much for watching. If you do like my videos, please subscribe. Diolch yn fawr.